हेलो बच्चों, आज हमने वो जो डिस्कस कर रहे थे ना फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स टू योर चैप्टर 10 सीबीएसई का विथ एडजस्टमेंट, उसका ये दूसरा क्लास है। ये देखो, लास्ट डे जो हमने डिस्कस कर रहे थे उससे थोड़ा टिपिकल टाइप का एडजस्टमेंट्स है। ये एडजस्टमेंट जान लो। बैलेंस शीट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस तो अब तो देख लिया कैसे बन सकते हैं, बट नाउ आप देखोगे ये एडजस्टमेंट वेरी वाइटल। अदरवाइज तो आप प्लस माइनस एडजस्ट करके आप कर सकते। नाउ क्वेश्चन इज देयर, योर जो एंट्रीज कैसे होगी ये एडजस्टमेंट से एक एक करके आपको जानना पड़ेगा। जैसे है एक ट्रायल बैलेंस एंड बैलेंस शीट दिया गया है, इधर पेस का इनसफिशियंस के लिए वो हमने लिख नहीं पाया, बट आप देख लो जे ये एडजस्टमेंट वेरी वाइटल है, बिकॉज योर ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड बैलेंस शीट का एक्यूरेसी ये एडजस्टमेंट का ऊपर में डिपेंड करते। अदर एरियाज तो योर जो कैपिटल है एसेट है एसेट साइड में बैठा देते, जो लायबिलिटी साइड बैठा देते, जो रेवेन्यू डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट, एक्सपेंस डेबिट एंड इनकम क्रेडिट वो बैठा देते। नाउ पॉइंट है व्हाट आर दोज एडजस्टमेंट्स आपको करना पड़ेगा। जैसे डिप्रिसिएशन, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग एंड मोटर व्हीकल, ये वेरी सिंपल है। इसके लिए आप देखोगे कैसे हमारी एडजस्टमेंट है। ये आप देख रहे हैं ना, जो ये लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग 24,000 है आपको ट्रायल बैलेंस में, एंड मोटर व्हीकल 18,000 है। स्टेट वे आप ये जो लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग 24,000 इसका परसेंट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन 5%, स्टेट वे 1,200, नो प्रॉब्लम। एंड मोटर व्हीकल 18,000 इसको है 15%, 2,700. Very simple calculations, and your entry will be depreciation debit to land and building and motor vehicle. Depreciation you will be going to your profit and loss account. Depreciation on building 1,200 profit and loss. Depreciation on motor vehicle it will go to your profit and loss account, and your that depreciation, that 1,200 in balance sheet asset side will be shown as a less depreciation, and motor vehicle 2,700 from balance sheet asset side. From motor vehicle you have to show as a deduction. So this is the accounting entry and treatment in your financial statement, that is trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now next question is your interest on loan. Interest on loan is at 5% taken on 1st April 2022. You see that your balance sheet is 31st March 2023. So that means you have to charge on full years your interest. So in such cases you have to see that whether in your trial balance any interest paid on loan is given or not. So your loan amount has been shown as 17,000. So entire whole year 1st April it has been taken. So whole year interest will be at 5% is 850, and your trial balance paid rupees 400. So आपको जो provisions करना पड़ेगा 450. So that entry will be interest loan to outstanding interest. So interest on loan will be added in your profit and loss account with 400 plus 450, and this 450 will go to your balance sheet as an outstanding interest. Clear? So this is the thing, outstanding interest, interest on loan, outstanding interest आपको पे करना पड़ेगा. Now another important adjustment is there, very carefully याद करो. जो goods costing rupees 1,200 we are sent to a customer on sale on return basis. Clearly understand, sale on return basis for rupees 1,400 on March 30th 2023, same financial, and has been recorded in the books as actual sales. So आप actual sales कर लिया, so debtors to sales आप entry कर लिया. So now आपको करना क्या पड़ेगा, एक्चुअली ये तो 1,400 होना चाहिए ना. सो वो जो एंट्री हो गया उसको आपको जो 1,400 जो सेल ऑन रिटर्न बेसिस में आपको एंट्री प्रॉपरली देना पड़ेगा, रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा. सो सेल अकाउंट डेबिट, बिकॉज ये सेल ऑन रिटर्न नॉट सेल, सो सेल्स विल बी रिड्यूस्ड, एट द सेम टाइम डेटर्स विल बी रिड्यूस्ड, बिकॉज actual debtors has already been inflated and sales also already inflated for that. So your 1400 adjustment reversals will be there. So in that portions what will happen? 1200 will be nullified and 200 will be extra debited or credited will be there. You are getting my point? Sales on return, but it has been taken as sales. Clear? Now नेक्स्ट जो प्रोविजन है वो वेरी सिंपल सीधी सीधी टाइप का है. salaries amounting to rupees ato and rents ato outstanding. So you have not paid for that, so you have to make a provisions for that. So salaries debit hoga, rates debit hoga to outstanding salary to outstanding rates. So respective head salary revenue account, it will be added whatever paid with that your profit and loss. Rates also, whatever provisions you are making, you have to add to your profit and loss. And corresponding this liabilities, outstanding salary and outstanding liabilities will be shown as liability as provisions in your balance sheet liability side. So this is the portions we have completed. Now आप आ जाओ. Bad debt provision is to be brought up to 15% on Sunday debtors. This is very important provisions for your this a purpose, for your practical purpose of your bad debt provision. So you have to make these things every year. You have to make a provisions and you have to continue for the next financial year. So for that purpose you have to prepare a provisions for bad debt account. Provision for bad debt account, right? So this bad debt account provision means your debit and credit. In your problem you have been given provision for bad debt. Opening balance was by balance brought down, it was there your 1420, right? And next year you have to make a new provision 1840 टू बैलेंस CD करके हम लोग को देना पड़ेगा. कितना प्रोविजंस करना पड़ेगा? 1840. ये बैलेंस कैरी फॉरवर्ड होगी. देन योर करंट ईयर यू हैव चार्ज्ड बैड डेट योर 1250. सो टू बैड डेट your 1250. So total this figure will be your 0549 3020. So by balance BD next year के लिए अब जाएगा 1840. So actual provisions will be for this year will be the balancing figure. You understand that? Balancing figure, how much it will be coming? 1670. So profit and loss, this will be debited. This much figure 1670. You are getting my point that the bad debt provision is to be brought up to 5%. That means some provision was there. This year some provisions will be there. You have to create a new provisions for these things. And whatever bad debt you have to adjust it through bad debt account, and differential figure, that is the balancing figure, will go to your profit and loss account as a provision. This is the thing. This we have done these things. Now your closing stock for 13,700. There is no issue for that. You straight away you credit sides you put it to your this trading account 13,700. Once again it will go to your stock as your balance sheet because this is your asset. Okay, so why you are putting in your trading account credit side? This is the net because opening stock plus purchase is there. Once you are right side writing means this is a less net adjustment purpose we are writing on the credit side. This is no other way this thing. So these are the things we did it. Now we have a goods costing rupees 1000 were taken away by the proprietor for his personal use, but no entry has been made in the books of account. You see that business entity is different from the proprietor's own account. So once this entity concept goods taken just like that he has taken, but no entry. No. So accounting entry you have to make it. No. If you give outsiders, if you take own, then it will. So your purchases gets reduced and your capital also at the same time it is getting reduced, because once you are taking the goods from the business, your purchases getting reduced. For business purpose it will not be there. At the same time your capital will go out, right? So this is the thing. Now that questions will come. Your insurance prepaid, this is simple, these things. Prepaid insurance to insurance account 350. Very simple this entry, because your insurance prepaid means you have made advance insurance for this year. So total insurance is included that 350. You have to reduce that 350, and that prepaid insurance will be the recoverable advance paid. It will be adjusted in the next financial year. Out of the insurance due will be there in your books of accounts. Okay, so prepaid insurance. Now another important provisions you have to make. Generally this type of one adjustment will come. आपको बैलेंस शीट में एक एडजस्टमेंट आएगा. Provide the manager's commission. Provide the manager's commission at the rate 5% on net profit after charging such commission. So after charging such commissions आपको निकालना होगा. So what is the formula in such situations? You see that before charging and after charging, these two different adjustments will be there. So very careful about your after charging commission. After charging commission formula will be there. Profit before charging commission into percentage of commission, say 5%, then 100 plus 5 equal to 105. Why? Profit before charging commissions 105. That means you do not know. See, 5%, after that only you are taking 5%. So whatever this your profit plus 5%, that is straightway 105. So your profit before charging such commission कैसे आपको पता चलेगा? आप जो कैलकुलेशंस करने के बाद आपको पता चल रहा है जो योर जो कमीशंस बिफोर दैट विल बी 21,204. So before charging such commission 21,004 into 5 by 105. So your figure will come 1009 point some figure. So roughly we can write it 1010. So you got it. But simply profit before such commission it will be there. Straightway we can write 5 by 100, not 5 by 105. So this will be, you remember very carefully. So this your 100 plus 5, why you are make? Your profit before commission is there, and after charging means you are to add with 100. That means 5 by 105 equal to 21, which is 20. Instead of 21, it is the 20. So this is the figure. You have to very careful about your adjustments of your profit and loss account and balance sheet. So आपको जो adjustment से carefully हो जाने के बाद, it will be very easy for your practical solutions for your trading and profit and loss purposes. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, because we are a very small channel. For that your support is very much required for the growth and development of my channel, and at the same time I will be highly motivated to bring more some videos for your exam purposes. We are concluding the video here. Have a good day.